EKIAMA kia Liberty National Democratic Alliance Linda niko giecokirie na kumuchiga tia barai bage siasa abo babere bagotumeka Erieta erio aso KW'ERIGERIA CHIKURA na konyoro kwegwa okoboko kurwa sai abananchi hasebono batebire EKIAMA kiabo niko keikire no muriki bw'ebyama byage siasa igasense ya Kenya na igonge batiri chiko hasebono bamochirie bari barachiko bakogendera gutumeka Erieta erio niko barachiko mukiriwa igatambo kerege tindikeri chiko.
We have come to know through the media that there is another Linda arranging itself, another political alignment in the name of Linda that is running down this country, popularizing itself without our authority and consent, and who are not part of us. They are not party to our registration process. They are not party to our founding members. And as we worked on this process registration of the leader party, the others who are branding themselves as Leader Mwananchi movement while busy transferring the country, popularizing the blood name Linda without our consent and without our authority. That we had earlier on learning about that, we had earlier written a letter to the registrar of political parties to warn the two political alignments of Leader Mwananchi, being alleged as Leader Mwananchi, and another function, political function, being alleged as Linda Gloud, to be warned not to continue using our political party name, which was reserved.